Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to make the nose. So the first step is to make the 3 concentric circles as shown over here. Now we are going to darken the sides as shown right below there. Using the eraser, rub the part which I have rubbed. Make the curves as shown over here in order to look it like a nostril. Now, just give one overlap to the parts which you have drawn. You can adjust according to your need. And now again we are going to darken the sides below there. We are going to make the 2 non-symmetrical lines as shown right over here. Now you need to shade the parts lightly, and with the help of your fingertips you just need to merge it. You can do it 2 to 3 times in order to make it dark, smooth and good looking. Now we are going to shade the parts below, and similarly using the fingertips we are going to merge it out. Give it a shape of a nose with the help of your hand and merge everything very finely. With the help of the pencil, try to make out the outlines again in order to give it a perfect 3D look. You can use your pencils 2 to 3 times in order to give it a light and shady dark shades. Shade it properly so that the parts are clearly visible, and it's ready. If you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it, and please click the bell button to get the daily notifications about the video. And the good information is that those who are going to subscribe the channel, do write in the comment section subscribed, as the first one is going to get a follow request from me from my Instagram, and my Instagram link is given below in the description box. See you, bye bye.